Carrot juice is healing you, and most people don't even know it.
It's been proven that this juice can regenerate cells, strengthen the immune system, and even help prevent serious diseases like cancer. Many have been drinking it without realizing that inside their bodies, a silent battle was being fought and won. If you suffer from constipation, gastritis, ulcers, acid reflux, intestinal inflammation, skin problems, liver or colon issues, you're watching the right video. Pure carrot extract acts as a natural restorer. It purifies the blood, oxygenates the cells, balances body acidity, and strengthens the digestive system from the inside out. That's why so many ancient civilizations considered it sacred. In India, it was called the nectar of the sun. In Egypt, the elixir of life. And Zen monks in Japan drank it before meditation, believing it enlightened the mind and prolonged life. Today, modern medicine is beginning to confirm what those cultures already knew. A study published in the Nutrition Journal showed that drinking carrot juice daily boosts the body's antioxidant capacity and regenerates damaged cells. In just 3 months, blood markers of cellular damage dropped, while tissue samples showed clear signs of recovery. The secret lies in beta-carotene, natural vitamin A, and the powerful antioxidants it contains, compounds that repair DNA and stimulate the creation of new, healthy cells. Research from Johns Hopkins University revealed that people with high levels of alpha-carotene, the key compound found in carrots, have lower mortality rates from cancer and heart disease. In biological studies, natural carrot extracts prolonged lifespan by up to 20%, preventing the premature breakdown of body tissues. Meanwhile, the other side of medicine remains trapped in a dangerous cycle. Big brands and laboratories want you to believe that health comes in a bottle, but many don't tell you that those pills often numb the symptoms instead of curing the root cause. This isn't about demonizing modern medicine, because in some cases it's necessary, but we need balance. Start first with what comes from the earth: living foods, natural juices, herbs, sunlight, rest, and pure water. Only then, if needed, look to what comes from the laboratory. The human body was designed to heal itself. It only needs the right tools, and nature already provided them. Carrot juice isn't a trend. It's an ancient routine that reactivates life from within. Every sip awakens your immune system, oxygenates your blood, and stimulates the creation of new cells. That's why many call it liquid life, because it literally gives back what the body has lost. We're living through a historic shift. Artificial medicine is losing its power, while natural medicine is reclaiming the place it always deserved. It's no longer just about preventing disease. It's about regenerating life itself, about remembering that everything the body needs, the earth has already given. How to take it correctly. Drink it on an empty stomach every morning. Take a large glass of pure carrot extract, freshly made in a juicer. No water, no sugar, no mixing with other fruits. Sip it slowly, letting each mouthful be absorbed by your body. Do this for 7 days straight, then rest for 2 weeks and repeat the cycle. This rhythm allows your body to fully absorb the nutrients and naturally regenerate its cells. Some people add a touch of lemon or ginger to boost its antioxidant effect, but the true secret lies in consistency and purity. Before you go, if this video helped you or taught you something new, help me share this natural truth with more people. Give it a like and share it. That's how we make this living medicine, this healing knowledge, reach the ones who need it most. Nature has already done her part. Now it's your turn to share it.